Hi everyone, good morning. I hope so well. I will complete I will continue a story for zombie and the part is today as continue part second. It will be a continue. For 10 year later, the the bright city is empty and silent silent. The zombie are lost lost all over the world, world is destroy. uh, and the Abigail is up grow up, and the name and her name is saved Abigail life. His name is Jack. Jack is a protected. Abigail is something 10 year. They are uh, they are learning for Abigail, and thought to the thought to the shoot a zombie and stay alone a forest. They are taught a fight a zombie. but the Abigail on the situations feel feel a lonely feel for more time, because Abigail lost a family in a one day, in a one day. Eh, and the Jack is a protected to little Abigail little to grow up for something 10 year 10 year. Sometime later, sometime later, Abigail and Jack rest the forest in make a camp with horse, with horse. They are sleep. Jack and Abigail, but sometime later, Jack strange a sound, a sound. This sound as are create will this sound create a zombie. Jack stand up. Jack are standing and go outside the camp and shoot shoot the zombie and shoot the zombie. The the and the Abigail suddenly and the Abigail suddenly outside the camp. They are packing. They are packing the important. They are packing the important things. Thing. And and Abigail. Jack and Abigail are mm, talking a similar topic with stay with move this this the, this place. Move this place with his horse. with horse, and the horse and the horse, they cannot move her. They are they are they are beat on a heartbeat, they are beat on a heartbeat, and the horse are crying, crying. Their horse are crying. They feel a strange sound, and Abigail and Jack, there to the understand, and to the understand, zombie are surrounding on this camp, and this position. They Jack and Abigail, they'll move. Jack and Abigail, they move only a situation, uh, on this place, place, and they are a step, and they are move on a small step, and and the next day they rise a sun, and they are she one alive man, they, and the man is fight to the zombie, fight to the zombie, and the Abigail, and the sorry and the Jack, and the Jack, they talking to the Abigail, Abigail. They shoot the zombie, and saved a human life, saved a human life, and the Jack, he is a tested test for Abigail. They shoot, they they are shoot a zombie, but the gunshot is are shoot a zombie, and and humans, uh, our human are dead. Abigail is a crying, and the Jack, Jack angry. Uh, they run run on these situations, and they pick a important think alive, important thing, and grab some important things like water, food, and some important clothes. but but the are live human, some human, they are surrounding, surrounding, they are surrounding Abigail and Jack, uh, and the human, are and the human all and the human, uh, mm, hand on the gun, hand on the gun. This story, I will continue, and and not end. I will next, I will continue part 3. Then I speak, is is part 2, and the and the end of the story, some words and some sentence are wrong, are wrong and pronunciations, but I try make a full make a full responsible sen- sen- sentence sen- sentence and are struggle are stuck are struck for many time, but I try improve English and pronunciations. Thank you. And let's be a comment on this story on this story and bet and better my pronunciation and with English is let down a comment.